Turn it around.
Hi.
Turn it to selfie version.
I can't whilst I'm recording. My phone's weird.
You can't turn into a selfie while you're recording?
No.
That's dumb.
Ah.
Probably because you broke the selfie part off.
I just can't turn it off while I'm recording. Like
You know
it's there the
recording
other time.
right now.
Yeah, I know it's recording right now. Look at your fireworks.
Why have you got your light on?
We got whatever this is.
You can read, can't you?
Sorry.
It says a sun sparkle.
I know.
Whatever that is.
This is the Catherine wheel. I don't think we're ever going to use that.
Probably not. There's nowhere to put it. You have to hammer it onto something.
Yeah, I know. And then there's the sprinklers.
Set me free. That's what we're doing first.
Sparklers. Are we?
Sparklers are bay.
And then we're going
You
to
go
use
out.
these.
Expelliarmus. Fools. Don't hit the fools because you
A bike. More bikes.
There's my
And a
bike.
door.
My beautiful, beautiful BMX.
Oh.
Hey, baby. I haven't seen you in a while.
I've turned on the top so you guys can see, hopefully.
Show us a sneak peek of the bins. They're burning the bins over there. You can't see it properly, but they're doing it.
I'm trying to jump so you can see, but it doesn't really help. All they can see is my feet right now.
I remember here when we did the ice bucket challenge last year, like 2 years ago or whatever.
Something like 2
What?
years ago.
You can see it.
Well, they can't see that. I think they'll only be able to see the explosions. Oh, you can see the fire. That's the fire over there. We'll try and focus. Alright, okay, so that was the fire. Remember the last video I made? Not the very last one, but the one before the vlog, the random video. That's what they're doing now. They're just burning bins for bonfire. Ah!
Move, clown.
Sorry.
Can you see my breath? Ah.
Never
That doesn't mean shove it in my face.
said it did.
This is going to be well sit back. Whoa. That was cool.
They can't even see
Shine a
that.
light under the fireworks.
I know. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Ah, pretty. Ah, pretty.
Diabetes.
Hide behind the building. There you go.
Don't die. It's bad.
Yay!
Sick poppers.
Oh!
And then it begins to die.
Yeah.
And there so you can get a full shot.
Don't go near it, clown.
He's not just going there
You're
because that
stunned
was in his
here.
way. Because you can see, you can see the smoke in it. Don't do that. You can see the smoke in like the camera.
What do they do?
They do a thing.
It stinks like diesel.
Go away there.
You will die.
I'm fine.
Whoa!
Boy.
What? Oh!
That was cool.
There's a red light.
Where?
Oh yeah, over there. I'm gonna see if I can capture a firework. Right, okay. Placed one. Sorry about that.
Stupid you or what?
I'm running when it's getting lit. That was cool. It's alright.
That scared me. I thought it was going to be one of those popper ones
Yeah,
again.
same. Right now it's going to explode into a million bits.
You know where I'm going to go? I'm going to go sit on, I'm going to go stand on the trampoline.
Me too, because then I'll be able to get action shots. As if.
How's that going to see what you're doing now?
You can still see. Look.
Barely.
I can see Dad. Look. There's the fire. I've captured the fire on my coffin. Oh, look at the fireworks.
Can you see it?
A little bit of it. Don't bounce.
Why not?
Because it's harder. It's for me to record it. I've been recording 5 minutes of footage.
That's so long.
It's for my videos. It is for my videos, to be honest. Yeah. Most of my videos are like 4 minutes long.
We're doing loads of tiny. Ah!
Sorry.
We're doing those little tiny ones. Go see, go and put the camera on Dad's finger. So you can see what he's doing.
Roof.
Jake,
Hi.
like pistols going off.
Yeah.
Everybody get down!
Don't hurt me, firework. I didn't know what I was going to do then because the fuse was short. No, it was kind of long actually. Because it took a while to explode. It would do. It's fireworks. He's gotten the fuse.
I would do it, but I've not got my phone on it.
I like how they put these in cardboard and don't worry. Oh no!
Shit, you idiot.
That was alright. Oh my gosh! That was awesome!
That was huge! Double the amount of fireworks factory. 6-pack garden is amazing for fireworks.
Scott, come record this for a sec.
What?
I want to see. Scott, come on.
Oh.
I know, come on.
So now?
Just do it.
I don't wanna.
I'll give you a shout out.
Of course you will.
I will.
Hi, my name's Scott. Please link in the description.
If I can put it there. I don't really care. Your name's already in the video.
Yeah, Scott. Actually, no, I changed it. It's Scott Ryback.
No, it's not. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho.
That was sick.
Oh, a firework. It smells. Absolute. Oh, it's one of those ones that goes up and then like it's like the one that's that. It's a fountain thing. Oh, he's got it. Yeah, I know, but they're still good. For some reason, the tiny ones are always the good ones. Just because they're huge. Booyah! Yay! funky lie! Aww. Scott, come record this for a sec.
No,
Why?
no video.
So?
I don't care.
How nice. I'm gonna stop recording now.